Hi, my name is Stephanie Soto. I am 27 years old and I study public accounting. My favorite song is Indigo by Camilo por Eva Luna and Mañana Será Bonito by Karol G. My two favorite songs are Indigo by Camilo and Eva Luna and Mañana Será Bonito by Karol G. Indigo is a song by Colombia singer Camilo and Venezuelan singer Eva Luna Montaner. It's what released on October 13, 2021 as the first single for Camilo their studio album, the Adentro Pa' Fuera 2022, and its genre is Latin pop. Mañana Será Bonito is the silent is capital letters is the fourth studio album by Colombia singer Karol G. It was released on February 24, 2023 through Universal Music Latino ones, and the genre is Latin pop reggaeton. Karol G, her name is Carolina Giraldo Navarro, Colombia singer. This song makes me feel very calm because the lyrics reflect that it doesn't matter what you're going through right now, because everything happens and time heals everything. It makes me remember that we have to overcome all the bad things that happen to us. Stand calm always comes after the storm. I love this song because it makes me feel empowered, be myself. The other song is Indigo. Is by singer is Camilo Echeverry and Eva Luna Montaner. Colombia singer is Camilo and Venezuelan singer is Eva Luna. This song makes me remember my daughter and everything I felt when I was waiting for her birth. It makes me feel nostalgic, and when I listen to the song, there are mixed feelings of love, joy, and sadness, and really love the song. It says everything in feel for my daughter. Thank you.